2018 Tri-Glide. We're going to change out the factory pipes with the CVO pipes, but we're gonna hollow them out. Go ahead and start it, Brandon. That's Brandon. As you can see, those sound like shit. So change of plan. That ain't gonna work because the diameters are obviously too big or too different. So that's like, you know, my Asian size, and that's like, oh, whatever. But anyway, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna hollow out the originals and put those back on, and we're gonna see how it sounds.
The pipe on the right is Irish.
Hi.
Hi. You're gonna cry.
These are my 4 daughters. That one's mine right there.
Oh, God.
That one's definitely mine.
Okay.
And them 2 are my daughters from another mother. Or wait, father. That would just mean I was a mother. That's Brandon with the biggest pipe he's ever had in his hand. And there's Kevin working as usual. And then there's me doing absolutely nothing. Tell me what you're doing.
I'm gonna take the baffles out.
I know that, but
I'm cutting out right inside the weld. And then we're gonna pull the baffles out. Hypothetically.
you're camera shy, aren't you?
Yeah.
Really? Let me see. Let me see that big bushy beard.
Everybody loves a ginger.
All right. So look, so the first one is done. The left side's hollowed out. Now we're gonna work on that one. So far we've already started. It sounds good. So we'll see how it goes on the next one. Hi Brenna, how are you? Okay, so next we're working on the spider. We're taking off the secondary muffler and the primary cat. So, and then we're gonna install a cat elimination pipe and exhaust. Not quite sure what exhaust we're going with yet, but we'll figure it out. And this is the after of hollowing out your factory pipes. And all we did was just grind out, took out the baffle, and then took out all of the fiberglass insulation. And we did that on both sides. Next, we're going to hit this up with some high temp paint. That way it won't rust. But a real cheap, easy way for you guys to go ahead and hollow out your pipes, and it'll make it sound better. And it's, you know, temporary, or you can, you know, leave them like what he's gonna do.
What? Doesn't necessarily make you the best. What are you looking at?
I am not.
I'm putting that in the vlog too. I so am.